Hey Marlis, Max, this is Max here today, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, I know, I've done 2 unboxings now, this is my second, and I'm like, how does this go to get all these models? But today's model I didn't actually get. My father did, because I got most improved pupil of the year, which I'm very happy about. My friend Jake, he got pupil of the year. He's like my best friend, so I'm happy for him, and we are both happy for each other. So yeah, I've already seen what this model is. I've opened it, I've screamed because I was really happy. So I want to spread my feelings with you guys too. So yes, so I'm gonna open this up now. Ooh, this I'll tape here. Okay, I'm just going to do a seat off to the side. And there you go. And take the model out. This is a very precious model. So I'm going to leave the box over there. And this is where the bubble wrap is. So I'm going to unbox the bubble wrap. Here. And here we go. We have the Lingus A330-300. It's whenever I look at this model, I'm like, oh god, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to unbox it now. Let me just show you the back of the box. So here at the back of the box we have a picture. I'm just going to let it focus like that for a while. So you guys can read what it says. So yeah, now I'm gonna this is the side of the box. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this box. And here's the other side, it's basically the exact same. Just gonna zoom into this one. Now I'm going to open it. So there's the inside of the box. At the video I'm gonna have like shots of like, so then you can read the writing inside, but so then there we have a look inside in that nice, lovely green colour. Yeah, oh no, I don't really want this model to last forever on this box. Oh, the beautiful model! I'm just gonna basically close that now. So guys, I'm just closing the box. Just to let you know, I might have a separate video for an aircraft review, but this is not an aircraft review, this is just an unboxing. Oh, I'm going to take this out gently. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, look at that model, guys, just look at it. I wish you can look at it the same as I can. Oh, just look at that. Look at that beautiful piece of artwork. Isn't it just beautiful? The ending is A330. So yeah guys, so that's basically what I all have for this video. It's my first Gemini Jets model, and I think Gemini Jets are actually pretty good. For even of their price, I know it's very expensive, but they are really good. So I would suggest you at least getting one Gemini Jets model in your entire life, because it is. And I actually really wanted this model, even because I think it's like the new livery. All I wish is that some company will just release the Lingus A320 in the new livery, the A320, so then I can get that one for Dublin as well. And if they're real cheap, I know a shop to actually do them, but they're doing the old livery at the moment. But I think they might change, and I get them in there for like, I don't know, like a tenner. That's actually real good for me. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. I think I might get 3 of them, and then I'm gonna get A321. And then I'm going to get an H21 so that'll be basically my whole Lingus fleet done. And then I'm thinking about getting Dublin Airport bigger, but that means I have to buy more wood. So I will have another video out tomorrow for video week. Yes, so on Tuesday I'll have a video, And I'm thinking about doing 2 videos next week, and yeah, but one will just be short. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit that like button, because they do really mean so much to me. Even if it's only one person, they do mean so much. So I'm gonna have some pictures just of them on the airport. In just a second. I'm probably gonna pop up any minute now for you guys. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again some other time. Bye.